So this was a win.
This video is done on one of our favorite trails, Black Diamond Figure 8 and Majestic Lost Trails. I'm using my GoPro Max camera that does 360 degree views. I think it's a really neat perspective of this ride. Hope you enjoy the video. Please ignore me. I'm talking to the camera in my side-by-side. I'm talking to the camera mounted on my helmet. So ignore the narration from the cab. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Wipe off the lens, they seem to be dry. Hope you get out and ride the great outdoors. Please, if you ride motorsports, wear a helmet for your protection and set an example for others. And I hope to see you on the trail. Thank you and God bless.